I'm Ronald Mark and Masalonga, and our topic for today is abstraction. This Java program is a simple banking application that uses abstraction and interfaces to simulate basic account operation like deposit and withdrawals. An abstract class, Ronald account, defines a structure for accounts and requires each type, like checking or saving, to identify itself. An interface operation enforces deposit and withdraw methods, ensuring consistent functionality across account types. In main class, bank application instance of checking account and saving account are created and transactions are performed, demonstrating each account's specific behavior. This setup models basic banking features in flexible and organized way. Dito sa code na to, meron tayong 5 class. Ito ang main class. Ito ang parent o abstract class. Ito ang interface class. At 2 subclasses. Dito sa main class, meron tayong 2 method, which is yung account type at account details. Itong account na to, in-abstract lang natin para mamaya magamit dito sa mga subclasses. Tapos ito namang account details, kapag tinawag siya, ang gagawin niya lang is ipiprint is ito. This is Ronald's bank account. Dito naman sa interface, may 2 method, which is yung deposit na may parameter na amount, tapos withdraw na may parameter din na double amount. Dito sa subclass, in-extends lang natin yung Ronald account para ma-inherit yung laman doon. Tapos in-implement natin yung operations. Tapos itong private, nag-initialize lang tayo ng private double balance. Tapos para ma-access yun, ginamit lang natin tong, gumawa lang tayo ng constructor. Tapos itong public void account type, in-override lang natin ito galing dito sa abstract class. Tapos nilagyan natin siya ng function. Kaya ang magiging function niya pag tinawag ay this is checking account o this is saving account. Tapos itong naman, deposit, in-override lang natin to galing sa operations o yung interface. Ang ginagawa niya naman, yung balance, ina-add sa amount. Ang dineclare ditong balance is 500. Tapos, nag-deposit ng 200. Kaya ang naging naging balance niya is 700. Kaya, yung deposit, inano niya lang, tawag dito, in-output niya lang yung in-enter dito, yung parameter. Tapos, yung balance, ito na yung updated na balance, yung napag-plus na balance at amount na. Kaya naging 700 yung output dito. Tapos, itong withdraw naman, if yung balance is greater than or equals sa amount, yung balance, imaminus naman sa amount. Tulad dito. Tulad dito. Ang i-withdraw daw ay 100. So, yung 700, maminus ng 100, kaya naging 600. Kung yung ano naman, kung yung balance naman is less than sa amount, ang ipiprint niya is insufficient balance for withdrawal. Tulad ng mga sinabi ko, ganun lang din ang mga gagawin nitong isa. In conclusion, this program demonstrates how abstraction and interfaces can be effectively used to organize and simplify a banking application in Java. Through the Ronald Account Abstract class, we learn how to define a general structure that can be extended by specific account types. The operation interface showed how to enforce essential methods like deposit and withdraw, ensuring each account type supports core banking function. This setup also illustrates polymorphism, as each account type can handle and deposit withdraw and can handle deposits and withdrawal according to its unique balance. By applying this concept, we created a flexible and organized program that highlight the importance of modular design in software development. That's all. Thank you.